Hey boys and girls, I hope you're ready for some numbers. It's math time. We've been counting and estimating and putting numbers together and apart. And today I thought we would really play with the number 10. And today we're going to be doing things like finding how many more to make 10. Because if we can find all the friends of 10, we'll be able to make 10 quickly. So today we're going to use this 10 frame, and we can already look, and if you know about our 10 frame, we know that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 at the top, and we know that there's 5 at the bottom because 5 and 5 is 10. But we can see that we have some spaces filled and some are empty. Some are empty. So how many more to make 5 right there? That's right, we would need 2 more. So if you're looking at this and we're thinking about how many more to make 10, we have 5 and we would need 5 more, right? One way that I like to look at this number right here is this. You've probably seen on your dice when you're playing games, this number right here, and that is 5. Well, one way I think about it is that we have a dot in each corner. There are 4 corners, 4 and 1 more. That's a little belly button. It's 5. So even if the belly button falls out, that will be crazy, but even if the belly button falls out, we still know that that's 4 and 1 more. Or even if it's down here, we know it's 4 and 1 more. We know it's still 5, right? So we're going to be playing with this a little bit today, and we're going to be talking about some of these numbers. So we have 5. How many more to make 10? 5. Because we know that 5 plus 5 equals 10, right? Okay, let's do another one. You ready? How many more to 10? Okay. If they were all filled, it would be 10, right? But only 1 is there. So how many more do we need to make 10? Some of you said 9. I'm guessing some of you counted 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And some of you know that 9 and 1 more is 10, right? So we have 1 plus 9 is 10. Those are friends of 10. All right, you ready for your next one? How many more to make 10? I see 4. Oh, we know that we need how many more down here? 5, 6. So we need 6 more to make 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let me tell you a trick. If I see 5 spaces blank, if all of the bottoms are blank, I don't have to count them because I know that's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If they're all blank, I know that's 5. So I don't have to start over. I can just say 5, 6, right? So 4 plus 6 is 10. Okay, here's another one. How many more to 10? I see 3. How many more to 10? Oh, do you see that all of these are blank? So how many is that? 5, 6, 7. So 3 plus 7 equals 10, right? Let's see what else we have. Oh, here's another one. How many more to 10? We have 2. But we have to have the rest of them to make 10. So you see this? All of that is empty. So I know at least 5, right? 5, 6, 7, 8. So 2 plus 8 equals 10. Good job. Friends of 10. So with this game, we're going to take our goldfish and we are going to hopefully, hope that there's 10 in this snack today because it's snack math time. And I'm going to pull out 10 little fish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You know what I'm going to make? I'm going to make a tens frame. If that's 5, I'm going to give it a little bitty buddy down here. Every little fish is going to get a buddy, a little partner. So right now, I want you to go get your counters. It may be a snack. You may have goldfish. It may be some crackers, or it may be Cheez-Its. You may have some peanuts, or you may have some Legos or coins. But whatever you're counting with, I want you to see if you can make 5 in a row and see if you can give every one of your little objects a little buddy. And it helps if your objects are all the same, because then they're nice and tidy. Okay? Okay, so we can play a little game and find out how many more to 10. And it's just like when we were hiding. So I can take many different ones apart. I can take these, right? So I can say how many? 6 and 4 is 10. So let's see. Let's do how many ways. Oh, they got out of line, the little fishy. Okay, so if I have 10, I can make 6 plus 4 equals 10. I can put them back together. I can say, oh, that's the 4 with the belly button out. See it? I can say 5 plus 5 is 10. So many different ways. I could take one here and put the rest of them over here. Ooh, what is that? Is that 9, you think? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, I lost count. What can I do to count it better? Oh, I can move them over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That way, when I moved them, I made sure I counted them. So 1 plus 9 equals 10. Can you take your 10 objects and find other friends of 10? What other numbers? Can you take them apart and make more than this? I wonder if you took 3 over here, how many would be on the other side? See if you can figure that out. If you take your 10 and you move 3 over here, how many more will be on the other side? Okay, so your job today is to find out all the different ways that you can take 10 apart and put 10 back together.